How to fix Snap Recap not loading on Snapchat. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix Snap Recap not loading on Snapchat. The first thing you want to do is make sure you are connected with a stable internet. You can simply turn on the flight mode and then turn it off, or switch between Wi-Fi and data and check. Now, if that doesn't fixes your issue, let's move on to solution 2. You want to open up your Play Store app, then tap on the search bar and here search for Snapchat. Now, if you find the update button, go ahead and tap on that and update the application to the latest version. This is going to fix minor bugs in the app. Now, once the updating has been completed, open Snapchat and check if your problem has been fixed. If it is still not fixed, you want to open up your settings. Now scroll down and tap on the option of apps. Now you want to locate the Snapchat app over here. Tap on that. Now tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache. If you're using iPhone, you want to offload your app and check. Now if that has not fixed your problem, you can simply uninstall the application. Once it has been uninstalled, you again want to install it from Play Store or App Store. Once you have reinstalled the app, simply restart your device and then the problem of Snap Recap not loading will be fixed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.